For the best Udemy coupon, here's the good news. Many learners never pay full price for Udemy courses. Before enrolling in any course, it's always worth checking for available discounts because Udemy regularly offers promotions across popular categories like AI, ChatGPT, Python, web development, data science, cybersecurity, digital marketing, business, Excel, graphic design, and project management. Whether you're a student building new skills, a freelancer expanding your services, an entrepreneur growing a business, or a professional investing in career development, finding the right course at the right price can make a big difference. One reason Udemy remains so popular is the sheer variety of practical, career-focused courses. Instead of spending months searching through different platforms, learners can often find exactly what they need in one place. And because new technologies like AI, automation, and data analytics are evolving so quickly, many people are using Udemy to stay current without committing to expensive training programs. That's why smart buyers always check for available Udemy discounts before purchasing. So before you pay for any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link and any available coupon offers that may help you save money on your enrollment. A quick check could help you get the same course for less. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.